The 26th Foundation Day of the Northeastern Development Finance Corporation Limited, which was launched for the development of industry in the region, was observed today in a befitting manner at its headquarters in Guwahati. And on the occasion of the Foundation Day, Guwahati branch of the NETFI was launched for all small and medium enterprises. And as part of the occasion, a clearance sale of artisans' products of Northeastern region was also inaugurated, aiming to provide a market linkage to the artisans and weavers of the region under its CSR initiative. And speaking on the occasion, Chief Managing Director of NETFI, PVSLN Murthy, said that the newly launched branch will be available to all small and medium entrepreneurs. He said that NETFI has plans to open more such branches in places like Jorhat and Dibrugarh.
We are now entering into 26th year and we are celebrating the Foundation Day. And NETFI was originally started for the development of industry in this region. Regarding branch in NETFI, so far NETFI has got 16 branches in various state headquarters in all the 8 states. But Guwahati, because of the head office, there was no separate branch. That branch will be available to all small and medium enterprises so that they can approach that branch and apply for the loans. We have a plans to open in Jorhat, Dibrugarh, in other places.
Executive Director of NETFI, S.K. Borwa, said that the branch has been opened to cater to the needs of the entrepreneurs of Greater Guwahati. He further added that the branch will provide not just credit support but will also act as business facilitator to help the entrepreneurs to start their respective ventures.
Today is our 26th Incorporation Day. On this auspicious occasion, today we have opened Guwahati branch to cater to the needs of the entrepreneurs of Greater Guwahati and the surrounding areas, especially MSC sector. We will provide not only credit but other handholding supports, mentoring, business facilitator to help the first generation entrepreneurs to start their respective ventures. We provide credit, and under Northeast Venture Fund we provide equity and other quasi-equity facility to the budding entrepreneurs, those having some innovative idea to start their respective venture.
Besides the oldest, youngest and women entrepreneurs who were assisted by NETFI to set up their respective ventures were also felicitated on the Foundation Day.